Hi everyone, Roy Neary from Data Spinners and TDG. In this session it's going to be very brief and short, and we are going to look at the user function to extract a user email. So let's move over to Power Apps. Here we are on Power Apps, and you can see three different versions of making use of user, and they're gradually getting more complex as we go. So the first one gives us the full name, the second one gives us the email address, and the third one gives us the first name. So we'll have a look at that. So in the first case you need to do user.fullname. So I'm just going to delete that one out. It'll probably give us an error. No, it's not too unhappy with this. So essentially it's user open brackets, close brackets, dot full name, and in that goes. You'll see it pop up. The second one is, and I'll just delete that, it's user open brackets, close brackets, dot email. In fact, you can get the image in as well, which is quite cool. We'll do that in a second. In fact, we'll do the email, the image now. So go to media, go to image, bring that in, and then we can do user open brackets, close brackets, dot image. So that should bring something through quite soon. Brilliant. Now this one is a little bit more complex, but it's a demonstration of using the split function. So it splits this word into two and then takes the first of those splits. So a little bit more complex, and I'm going to do a video on that one to follow. But in the first instance, you can see that you can quite quickly get some information out. Well, thanks for that, and please make sure you subscribe, tell other people about it if you find it useful, and hope to see you again soon. Thank you.